Hello friends, so today's tutorial will be about how to make threads in Solidworks. Suppose you have some rod or you want to make nut and bolt, so you have to create threads inside that. So in today's tutorial we are going to cover that part. So let me open the Solidworks. I have Solidworks 19 and here I will choose to open a new file and let us open this file. Then we will choose the plane on which we want to draw the sketch. So simply in this example we are going to take one rod or cylindrical body, and on the profile of that rod or cylindrical body we will create threads. So let's see how it will be done. So I am choosing here a front plane, okay, or top plane, and I will create here a cylindrical body, and I am giving it a radius of 10 mm, say 5 mm. Okay, so this is the circle of 5 mm radius, and I will extrude it up to height of 100 mm. Okay, 50 mm is good. So this is a cylindrical body and we want to cut the threads on the profile of this body. So after creating this cylindrical body, first step is to create a helix. Okay, so helix and spiral. So what we have to do, oh sorry, before creating helix we will have to create a circle on it. So let us create an sketch for this body and exit it. Okay, like this, exit it, then go to here helix and choose this. Okay, so after choosing the circle which we have created in the previous sketch, so here we have two parameters. First is we want to create a constant pitch helix or a variable pitch helix. So we are creating constant pitch helix. So what is the pitch? Enter a pitch. You know what is pitch? Pitch is the distance between the two same points or points on the same position in the on the consecutive threads. Okay, so this will be the pitch. So pitch, let us enter it, say 10 or 5 mm. Okay, how many revolution do you want? Direction is opposite, so let us change its direction also, reverse the direction. So how many revolution do you want? Here is only one revolution, we are going to enter it 10 revolution. Okay, so it is like this. And start angle. Okay, now next is clockwise or anti-clockwise. The threads you want to create, if you want to create clockwise threads, then you will have to choose here clockwise, otherwise anti-clockwise. I am choosing here clockwise. Let's create this spiral or helix. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to create, now we have to create the profile of threads. what is the profile of threads? It is like a trapezium or a triangular. So that profile we have to create here. So how we will create this profile? Let us see. I'm choosing this plane. Okay, now I will create the profile. So I am just entering it here. This is radius is 5 centimeters, so let us say the depth of thread, let's make it 2 mm. Okay, so this is like 1 2 3. Okay, so here this is 1.5, and then 1 1, and again it is also 1. What is happening? Let us give it 1.5, then 1, again 1.5. I'm creating a trapezium here. Basically a trapezium. I want to create a trapezium here. 1.5, give it a dimension of 1, give it a dimension of 1.5 again. So I'm creating a trapezium whose opposite sides are of, say, whatever profile you want to create. You should create that profile. Sorry, let me take it again, change it. This should be 0.5. Okay, and again what, 0.5, 0.5. Okay, this is also should be 0.5. What happened? Already defined. This is 0.5. Okay, like this. Okay, so the profile has been created. Okay, I'm deleting dimensions and any other extra. Okay, so here we have created the profile. We exit this as well. Now we go to features tab, and here we will use swept cut. In the previous video I have already told you how to use this command. In this video I also told you that it is used to create threads. So I am showing you the application of that swept command. So what we have to do here, we have to select sketch profile. Okay, what profile we have sketched, what is the profile of the threads. So it is a trapezium like profile, so I have selected it. Next, the path of extrusion. Okay, so it is like this, and cut. So here a thread has been created. Okay, this is like thread like here the what's a profile of threads is trapezium, but you can make any profile by changing the this this sorry uh, where is the profile, by changing this sketch. If you make it triangular, then it will be a triangular threads profile. Then if you make it rectangular or square, then you will have the profile of threads rectangular or square. So basically you have to change this sketch only. So I'm exiting it, and you can see we can hide all other things like these, and here you can see that threads has been created. So this is enough for this tutorial. We will meet in the next tutorial with one new topic. Thank you so much for watching.